Damn, sis, this is the best thing ever!
It's about to get even better!
Huh?
With your birthday cake!
This is a food contamination warning. This is not a joke. The Pepperidge Farm Foods including Goldfish has accidentally made a eco thing for some reason. Some schools have field day in having hot dogs and some Pepperidge Farm product. If you see some child or grown-up eating a Pepperidge Farm product, check them immediately. It is very easy to tell how it's a Pepperidge Farm product. Look at the top of the bag and see if it says, Pepperidge Farm. If there are any questions, call 1-800-678-1010. Stay tuned for more information.
Gimme.
Hey, Master Frown! Thanks for helping us celebrate Puppycorn's birthday.
Of course.